Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sandy from Wiggin. Here we talk about wigs, confidence, and finding hair that makes you feel like you again. Today I'm reviewing a brand new release from Raregen, Amelia 18 inches, a silk inserted lace top wig in light brunette with subtle golden highlights. And trust me, this color whispers elegance. Let's get into it. Let's start with the shade because Raregen nailed it. This is a light brunette with subtle golden highlights. It's one of those colors that looks really expensive without trying too hard. The base is a cool matte brunette, but there are soft golden ribbons running throughout the shade that add just a little bit of warmth. It gives you that modern, understated glow without going full caramel latte. It's universally flattering and super wearable. So if you're someone that does not like a dramatic color shift, lots of dimension, you want something natural and subtle, this is a really great choice. Now, let's talk hair quality. Amelia is made of 100% Remy human hair. So that means that the cuticles are intact, aligned, and the hair feels buttery smooth. You can run your fingers through it without any worries of tangling. You can curl it, style it, straighten it. Whatever mood you're in, Amelia can keep up. At 130 density is that perfect in between. Not too thick, not too thin. It gives you just enough body without adding the bulk. The movement is natural, the flow is effortless, and it doesn't scream wig. It just says, this is my hair. Amelia is 18 inches in length, a really wearable spot that still gives you that long luxe look without feeling high maintenance. She also has subtle layering at the ends, which means it doesn't just hang, it has some shape. And here is something I always check with a human hair wig. How's the hair going to behave after it's washed? This is Amelia straight out of the wash. No heat, no product, no styling, just air dried. You can tell how healthy human hair is by the way it air dries. Amelia dried without any frizz, without any crunch, no weird texture patches. It was still really soft. It didn't have any tangling, had that nice natural movement, but there was some return hairs from the crown area to about the mid-length of the wig. And how I fix those is I'll take a heat comb, blend them into the hair, and use a little bit of wig wax on the end of my fingers and smooth them down, and that usually fixes the issue. Let's talk peace of mind. Raregen offers a 30-day return policy with no restocking fee. That is rare in the wig world, and if you're in the US or Europe, they even cover the return shipping. That shows that they are confident in their product, and we can be confident as shoppers. If you're already adding Amelia to the cart, Raregen was kind enough to give me a discount code for 15% off. Just enter IBWiggin at checkout and boom, you're winning. Here is where Amelia shines. It features Raregen's BioLace top. It combines a Swiss lace on top and a silk insert underneath. Here's why that matters. The cap features a melted Swiss lace with a silk base underneath for invisible parting, breathable wear, and all-day comfort. You'll also find bleach knots along the hairline for a finish so natural it disappears. Cap size is 21.5 to 22.5 inches with adjustable straps, built-in clips, and a stretchy back that makes her feel super secure. Here you can see the lace lifting slightly around the hairline and the temples. To fix that, I'm going to use Walker tape. That helps hold the lace down and keep everything looking natural. That's my full review of Amelia 18 inches by Raregen. Let me know in the comments what you think about this color and that silk insert. And don't forget to use my code IBWiggin to save you 15% off, because who doesn't love luxury hair and a discount? You deserve to feel beautiful in your hair. See you next time.